What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? It is your doll, Tanisha Hines, the queen of hair illusions, with another Alopecia Solutions. My beautiful doll has some wonderful curls. Right now, I am doing a different kind of approach to my foundation. She has that Puerto Rican want to be in the front for some reason. And I was like, okay, the slippage can really be real. So basically, I'm kind of latch hooking and doing a stationary braid and then like looping it through another part and then attaching it, so I'm basically making it stable in two different parts. I really don't know how to vocalize it, but we're using the Crochet Weave Buddy for foundation. She's using Free Twist Deep Twist. The color is Caramel. I am saying, Free Twist, y'all coming through with this color. Okay. The mix was cute. You're going to see at the end. Okay, so we are just going through with the foundation. I'm in love with this new cornrow method. I'm going to sit here and be honest. I don't have a one size fit all. My dog was like, I'm falling asleep. Lean back, lean back. I don't have one type of foundation. So you have to just know what the clients need, how we're styling it, where's their area of concern, and all that jazz. Right now, I'm not sure what Kat calls this, but she has this type of band that you put on prior to your weave buddy that gives another layer of support. So even though the weave buddy is lined with silk underneath and it's comfortable, when you're wearing something for a long period of time, the grids can leave an impression. So to avoid that, she created this. I normally always did something prior to that underneath the weave buddy, but this makes it much easier because it's already fitted for the person's head. The weave buddy, this is turned inside out. Thank you to every last one of my new subscribers and my comments. I love y'all the most. I turned the inside out because she wanted a left, right part. Okay, and I have so many different ones in stock. And when you are buying weave buddies, you could go ahead and buy it offline at theweavebuddy.com, or my clients, they come in and I just provide a installation addition to it, and I just have it in stock. But there's so many different ones. They got free parts, they got left, right, crochet, cranial, full, frontal. So it can be costly because they're $80 a unit, just to be transparent, to let you know what you're investing in. You can reuse them. She has a small circumference, like a 21. So the average one did not do justice when we did her full sewing. So I had to do some cutting and editing, and now I'm like, okay, well, Cat kind of solved the solution, but you just got to have so much in inventory. Tanisha, you talking about the weed buddy? What you doing now? Okay. First of all, I'm doing an illusion part. Nothing to it but to do it. A closure, a 4x4, full cornrows. That's it. Okay. So I'm going to be crocheting on that to give her the illusion that she has a part. I bleached it all and toned it off cam. Okay, you ain't gotta go too expensive with it's 4x4. You can go on Amazon or whatever and get one because you're going to be using it to crochet. I still pluck the hairline. I don't go crazy with plucking my hairline, because when you are in my industry and my clients are investing, they like to reuse certain things more than once. And when you pluck it like you lost your mind, you get one-time use. And this is why they be all on the social media. Oh my God, why it costs? Child, okay. The bank ain't running the money last time I checked. Lies you tell. Over top of the weave buddy, I use my little crochet net because that's where the crochet going. Is it going to pull her hair? No, it's not. It's on the daggone net. Okay. This is fast forward. Nobody got time to be watching a whole 5-6 hour video. Okay. I'm trying to cut it down because we all got short attention spans. Okay. Well, what you're doing right there, my doll, is concealing her identity. So in order for us to get behind the Wizard of Oz curtains, some angles we ain't gonna be able to see everything because I'm not editing to the pyramids. Lies you tell. All I used was a little bit of boho, the acrylic silicone, max activated adhesive. Yes, I had to say it like that. I've learned a faster way for myself, which is I am going to go around the perimeter and then fill in the field. Okay. So I go ahead with my illusion and then I go over my perimeter and just make sure that it is the coverage that I want. So that way you're not having so much density. She has a small circumference. So she does not need to have shaka shaka con, shaka 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 con. Okay. When you're doing the illusion part, you could do the regular knotted around the first two cornrows, and wherever her part is going to be at, you make sure that it's plucked and you do the knotless technique when it comes to that. For me to use not so much hair, I went ahead and did a flare out. I don't know how to describe it. Okay, y'all, I'm going to be having a Patreon activated soon. So if y'all want to in the future see some lengthier, more detailed videos, then we could go over there. But right now we are YouTubing. I'm not putting no more on my plate because your girl got too much. Okay. Right now we're using the Honey Almond by Influence. I'm cutting with my Hatoro. Girl, why she using those? Because my clients are worth it. I ain't got time. Okay. All right, I just used the old ones. It's like a boo-boo. Anyway, I'm just layering it. And I'm like, did I nick my damn self? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz. I tried to use a tripod and, give you a close-up, but I gave up and started holding it by my hands. So just wait, okay? The next clip, I'm going to get even more closer. Do you see it? I'm giving you all angles, okay? With the face shield. That's much easier, ain't it? I'm giving you the close up. Tanisha, give me the close up. That bob is giving and that color is giving. Okay. We are getting into it. The illusion front. She's able to have the wind blow. It's stationary. It's comfortable. It's going to last her a good amount of time. How do y'all like it? Let me know with the comments below. I'll see y'all next week. As always, make sure you put yourself first. And this is another PhD Hair Solutions Spectacular.